Hey everybody out there, my name is Brian Smith. I'm currently a police officer with the village of Steger, Illinois. Also, I'm founder and director of the Metropolitan Police Self-Defense Institute. The National Rifle Association for the year 2014 has named me as the Law Enforcement Firearms Instructor of the Year, which I am very proud and honored to receive this award. In the last several years, we came up with so many different programs in firearms and self-defense, and we want to share some of those with you today. So keep watching. Do the same drills just we did. One on yours, one to either side of it. All right, so it'll be a total of 3 rounds each. Everybody got it? Any questions? All right. Very good. So the guns will start from high ready. So go ahead and load up. Line ready. Shooting at. We didn't give it a target yet. So I know what we're gonna do. I'll meet y'all down here. Did he say head? No. It said fire. Oh. You guys are a bunch of assholes. Alright, sound off on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. Recover. Alright guys. Turn the gun down slightly, bring it down. As you walk, bend your knee slightly, you're going to walk up, get up, top out, top out. All right? Anybody? Sir. This ain't right. You got to work Southern's brain when he's brain. He told me you don't get it. Come on, man. Do it. I don't know, but I'll do it. Go well. Come on. You ain't doing it yet. Come on, Brady's shooting better than that. I know. All right, go. Over here. Come on. Come on, man. Get that gun. Shoot. Stop the track. Shoot. Shoot. Show me a hand. Gun!
The recipient of the 2012 Public Service Award is Metropolitan Police Self-Defense Institute of Chicago Heights, Illinois. The Metropolitan Police Self-Defense Institute is being recognized for their outstanding public service by providing firearms education and training for both civilians and private and public police agencies in firearms, defensive tactics, and SWAT tactics. More recently, the organization initiated a self-defense program titled Basic Handgun Fundamentals for Police-Wise, which has received national recognition. It is an 8-hour class which teaches nomenclature, loading, clearing, and safe handling of firearms through the NRA Combat Classification Qualification course, where the women will receive their NRA Marksmanship Ranking Certificate in either marksman, sharpshooter, or expert. The Metropolitan Police Self-Defense Institute also has done great work with both Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts of America, and has even mentored Eric Keyes Jr., a contestant on Season 4 of Top Shot. It is our honor to present the 2012 Public Service Award to the Metropolitan Police Self-Defense Institute of Chicago Heights, Illinois. Will Mr. Brian Smith, Director of Metropolitan Police Self-Defense Institute, please come forward to accept this award. Whose volunteer activities have been instrumental in promoting the objectives of the NRA on a national level, or whose activities have had a national impact on the shooting sports. For the second year in a row, the recipient of the 2013 Public Service Award is Metropolitan Police Self-Defense Institute of Chicago Heights, Illinois. The Metropolitan Police Self-Defense Institute is being recognized for their outstanding public service by providing firearm education and training for both civilians and private and public police agencies in firearms, defensive tactics, and SWAT tactics. For the year 2013, in a proactive response to the recent ruling for the state of Illinois to enact its concealed carry law, MPSDI created a firearm safety program for firefighter paramedic personnel called Rendering a Firearm Safe. MPSDI has also been successful in providing firearm classes for a local youth lodge in Chicago Heights, and working for the past 12 years with local police departments for handgun qualification courses. It is our honor to present the 2013 Public Service Award to the Metropolitan Police Self-Defense Institute of Chicago Heights, Illinois. Mr. Brian Smith, Director of MPSDI, please come forward to accept this award.
You don't walk around the house like this. You be in the mirror talking to me. Come on now. All right, keep it up here. This way we're going to walk through, and this way we're going to do all our actual shooting exercise. Everything's going to be from right here. Don't walk around the range like this, but we're going to yell at you. That means you don't know what you're doing, and that means you're reflecting on us. So therefore, we're going to exercise you. So you're going to tell everybody, well, I was trained by Brian Smith. Nope. All right, bring it right here. Out. In. Reload.
Just don't rank.
Okay.
Class 1 malfunction. Ready. Fire! All right, unload and show clear. Bench the guns. Side which should be tilted anyway when we go charge it up, because we're going to charge it up gangster style, right? With thumb on top, grab, and pull back. So therefore, when we go tap, tilt, rack, it gives this avenue to fall. We don't want Class 1 malfunction. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Fire! All right, load up. All right. Fire. top of the gun. I can see it. Take your time. Slow down. You too, Aaliyah. Fire. There you go. Now see, now you got it. Take your time. Y'all empty. What y'all supposed to do? What's your thought supposed to be?
I'm supposed to do this again?
Nope. You don't have to.
Watch your target.
All right. You know who this is for.